Good morning, Mama.
Good morning.
What are we doing today?
I'm cooking my godson dedication food.
Wow.
You can see the turkey right now.
Wow.
Wow.
That's good. And where is your godson?
He's inside. He's playing.
Is this only what you are cooking?
No. Here is chicken already. This one is already cooked.
Wow.
This one is the turkey, and this is the last pot I'm going to.
Wow.
Before I start doing the frying.
That's good.
Tomorrow is the D-Day.
Wow.
You know.
Congratulations, godmother.
Thank you very much. Sir, the girl when I want her tomorrow.
Organo.
You don't get pay.
Organo. Eriono. Boza, boza, boza. Boza.
We are on it. We are on it.
Congratulations, Mama. Congratulations. Now we the chest. That's good. Congrats.